How to pay your bill with the Amex app. In this film, we'll show you 3 easy ways to pay: direct debit, pay with bank transfer, and debit card. Paying by direct debit. Start by tapping Account from the bottom of the home screen. Tap Direct Debit, then Set up Direct Debit. Select the amount of the direct debit, either payment in full, minimum due, or a fixed amount. Next, you'll be able to add your bank account details. Confirm your bank account is a UK personal bank account in your name, then check the bank information is correct and submit. Check the direct debit start date carefully so you don't miss a payment, and then tap Done. And your direct debit will be set up. Pay with bank transfer. If you want to make a single payment, we recommend Pay with bank transfer, where the Amex app will connect directly and securely with your bank app or online service to complete the transfer. Start by selecting the amount you'd like to pay and tap Today, as payments using Pay with bank transfer can only be made on the same day. Next, choose the bank you'd like to pay with. Read the user disclosure, and if you agree, tap Agree and Continue. You'll now be securely linked to your banking app or online service. Confirm the account you'd like to make the payment from. You'll then return to the Amex app, and you'll see the payment on the transaction timeline on your home screen. Paying with a debit card. Tap Make Payment on the home screen, and under Methods, tap Debit Card. Then add your debit card details, including your postcode and the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Choose the payment amount and tap Today. Then tap Pay. And there you go. Paying your bill made easy with the Amex app. Don't live life without it.